What's going on YouTube? Today we have some insane gameplays with a newly added double barrel shotgun. They took it out for a while, but in a recent update they added it back, and I think they actually forgot to nerf it. Today's video consists of a couple nice clips followed by 2 high kill gameplays and of course the class at the end. If you enjoyed, don't forget to hit that like button and drop a sub if you want to see more gameplays just like this. Thanks for watching and I hope you enjoy.
If the devil was a lie, it would be your black dream. No cap. Oh my god! Oh my! That's what you own, bro? That's what you own? That's what you own? Oh wow!
Remaining operation.
There's 2 of them.
You don't drop it, you use it. It's got one shot in, alright, cool.
What the f is that, bro? His shield's broken. His shield is broken.
Kill confirmed.
Oh shit.
Oh, we got a shotgun. Oh,
You got me with a shotgun. Jeremy, my good. He's stuff right here, Jeremy. He's stuff right here.
come on, man.
Con escopeta ahí, güey.
Good kill. Marking the attack map. Get hunting. Resurgence window is ending. Watch your 6.
You good? Yeah, I got sniped out the window. Grab me. I'm kind of crazy.
Target down.
Hold on.
What the? Yo! What is? Enemy destroyed. Have to hunt down the rest of them. Good kill.
There we go now.
The rest of that squad on your attack map. You got me. Friendly loadout drops on the way. Confirmed. We located the target down. Marking the rest. Marked remaining operators from that.
You. Oh yeah. That's me.
Enemies are dropping into the area. Watch the skies. Good kill.
Oh yeah. Yeah, hacking. Yeah, like good hacking.
Well done.
That's the from the call. That was doing the oldie son that you calling your man.
Who? Oh, Tom. Located the rest of them. Oh, yeah, Tom.
You said Tom?
Sorry.
That's what he said. I don't know. Oh, this just ran from me.
That's the same. Nah, we killing his ass.
Yeah, the way with the double barrel shotgun.
I killed him. Shit. Oh.
The silent reaper.
Right there. You got
Ah, they back here, bro.
Squad mates redeploying. Well done.
When I said they up here.
Remaining operators from that squad. Hunt them down.
Oh, I got one down right here on me.
Marking the rest of that squad on your tac map. Get hunting.
What the f did all y'all die?
It's a the house you outside of, Wayne. Yeah, the house you in, he got the bed, they got the
Enemy destroyed. Use your tac map to hunt down the rest of them. Gas is moving. Marking the rest of that squad on your tac map. Go get hunting. All squad members are in the safe zone.
I died in here, bro. Bruh, it's right here, bro. He got a one shot. He killed, bro. One shot, one guy. Bruh,
Squad, hunt them down.
what the fuck is he shooting? Bro, he got a one. He killed all of us on God.
We located the rest.
Whoa.
Good kill. Marking the rest of that squad on your tac map. Go get hunting.
You got 5 kills.
They got some good guns. Hey, they right there. One's right there. Yo, this guy's shotgun is crazy. His shotgun is crazy. It's one shot. His shotgun is one shot.
Oh, what the?
That's what I'm saying. His gun is crazy. His gun is... That's what I'm saying.
We located the rest of them. Remaining operators from that squad. Hunt them down. Fire sales over. Adjusting prices.
It's crazy though.
25 remain. Solid work so far. You're losing ground. Move it. Marking the rest of that squad on your tac map. Get hunting. Some of your squad.
Drop me today, we can. Oh, they go one shot crazy again. Watch your bike, brother.
Remaining operators. Hunt them down. Confirmed, and we located the rest of them. Marking the rest of that squad on your tac map. Go get them. Enemy soldier in.
Oh, nice.
Kill confirmed. We located the rest of them. Gas is moving. Mark it down. Marking the rest of them. Mark the remaining operators from that squad. Hunt them down. Enemy destroyed. Use your tac map to hunt down the rest of them. Good kill.
Oh my God. Oh.
Enemy soldier incoming.
get frozen? Okay, I'm back in.
Remaining operators from that squad.
Yo, I got a
Hunt them
team wipe
down.
from that Jones bro. That's so bad.
Confirmed, and we located the rest of them.
No way I got a team wipe with that, bro. Oh my god, I'm off.
Down. Marking the rest
Bro,
of them.
why? Where the f***
Marking
is
the rest of that
coming
squad on your
from?
attack map. Marking the rest of that squad on your attack map.
Me and Bill. I can confidently tell.
Got gas moving in.
I'm pushing over, but yeah, not one. Not one. Oh my god, I couldn't get up there,
Dropping into the
bro.
area. Watch the skies.
Christian, my mom might buy me 7,000.
God damn.
Confirmed, and we located.
I got her shot straight.
I got fucked up in the back. Or the front, I don't know.
Squad on your attack map. Get hunting. All right, your squad's in the safe zone. Use your attack map to hunt down the rest of them. Mark remaining operations from that squad. Hunt them down. Target down. Marking the rest of them. Kill confirmed.
Oh, come here.
Adjusting prices. Some of your squads up. Marking the rest of that squad on your... Go get hunting. Enemy destroyed. Use your attack map to hunt down the rest of them. Been deactivated. This is the end game.
Check it out right here. No.
Enemies are dropping into the area. Watch the skies.
Here. Shit. Behind you. Oh, damn. Damn.
Losing ground. Move it.
Did somebody stay alive? Stay alive and stand. Damn,
All
bro.
squad members are in the safe zone.
I'm finna give up this.